Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The mood is unhinged. The Fed has been blamed for the inflation curve and unemployment being below the long-term equilibrium, and the Fed is now threatening to destroy the economy by raising interest rates and shrinking the balance sheet. These fears may be exacerbated by today's U.S. data retail sales figures and industrial output. Both will likely slow down sequentially. NASDAQ posted a 3-day gain, and its 2.5% slide retraced gains from the previous two sessions. Japan, South Korea, and Australian markets experienced more than 1% losses. Most major foreign currencies are stronger than the Canadian dollar. The euro's 0.9% increase is the smallest among the majors for the week. The gold price is unchanged at $1,823. Which means that it is almost 1.5% higher for this week. Oil has driven to marginal new highs of $83.20. Asian Pacific market. China's trade surplus increased by a whopping 12% last month. Imports were weaker and exports were stronger than anticipated. The dollar reacted strongly to the yen after reaching multi-year highs within the first few trading days of 2022. It was at JPY 116.35 as of January 4. It was sold on every day except one and is currently at JPY 113.65. Yesterday's Australian dollar peak was at $0.7315. This is its highest level since mid-November, but it gave up some gains by the close. To pair the weekly gain, it has been offered today. It is currently at $0.7270 and up by around 1.25% for this week. Market of Europe. The UK economy grew by 0.9% in November, double what economists predicted. October's expansion was revised up to 0.2% from 0.1%. The UK economy is now 0.7% larger than it was before the pandemic. Germany was the first G7 country that reported 2021 GDP. It increased 2.7% in line with expectations. According to Bloomberg data, the euro surpassed yesterday's record by few ticks to reach $1.1483. Perhaps due to the geopolitical backdrop, the market is hesitant to extend its gains before the weekend. Sterling has remained below yesterday's record of $1.3750 despite the strong November GDP figures. It is still there, hovering at the 200-day moving mean. Market of America. The publication of economic data is attracting a lot of attention today. Highlights include December retail sales and industrial output. The University of Michigan's preliminary consumer confidence survey and inflation expectations, as well as import-export prices, are all due. Yesterday's drop to CAD 1.2455 saw the greenback rebound to close at session highs of CAD 1.2520. Before dollar sellers reemerged, follow-through buying was restricted to the CAD 1.2525 region. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.